Hi everyone, today I'll illustrate a simple way to draw a light strip on the wall. We will build a decoration wall like showed on the screen. So here is what I've built before, and I'll enter the construction tool to show you how I did it. As we can see here, after entering the wall editor, the wall is divided into two parts. Use the line tool. And then just simply extrude the wooden part and put your ideal dimension of the volume. And then click the division line. You could see the section of the light strip, and you can also modify the parameters such as the size, position, and color. And then here I want to make any additional decorations. Let's go to render to check the final effect. Then click render. We can go back to check the effect, so that you can see by using the wall editor in construction tool, realizing the light strips on the wall is quite simple and fast. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you and see you next time.